Do you ever feel like your small business finances are a tangled mess, a separate beast entirely from your personal wealth? You're hustling, growing, innovating, but when it comes to managing the money, you're bouncing between spreadsheets, traditional banks, and maybe even a shoebox full of receipts. And then you hear about platforms like Wealthsimple, famous for making personal investing easy and accessible. A little voice whispers, "Could this work for my business too?" It's a valid question, and one many small business owners grapple with. The world of finance, especially for entrepreneurs, can feel overwhelming. You've got income, expenses, taxes, maybe even employees, all while trying to keep your personal life afloat. The allure of a simplified, digital-first financial solution is incredibly strong. But when it comes to Wealthsimple, a name synonymous with user-friendly personal finance, does that magic extend to the demanding and often complex needs of a small business? Well, that's precisely what we're diving into today. We're going to pull back the curtain on Wealthsimple and examine it through the lens of a small business owner. We'll explore its offerings, dissect its features, weigh the pros and cons, and ultimately help you decide if Wealthsimple is the right financial partner to help your business thrive, or if you need to look elsewhere for a more specialized solution. Before we get too deep, let's quickly set the stage. What exactly is Wealthsimple? For those unfamiliar, Wealthsimple started as a robo-advisor, democratizing investing by offering automated, low-cost portfolios. Over the years, it's expanded significantly, now offering a suite of financial products including self-directed trading, high-interest savings accounts, and even a tax filing service. Their core philosophy has always been about making finance simple, transparent, and accessible, often appealing to a younger, digitally native audience. Now, let's talk about small businesses. What are their unique financial needs? It's not just about investing personal savings. Small businesses need to manage operating capital, handle payroll, track expenses, manage invoicing, potentially deal with corporate taxes, and ideally, find ways to strategically grow their business funds. They often require specialized accounts, reporting, and sometimes, even access to credit or loans. This is a far cry from simply saving for retirement or investing in a diversified ETF portfolio as an individual. So, with that context firmly in place, let's start dissecting Wealthsimple's offerings and see how they stack up for small business owners. First up, the most obvious point of overlap, investing. Wealthsimple offers both managed investing accounts and self-directed trading accounts. Can a small business use these? Yes, but with some significant caveats. Wealthsimple does offer corporate investing accounts. This is a crucial point, and it means you can technically open an investment account under your registered business name. This allows you to invest surplus operating capital directly from your business, which can be a smart move for long-term growth and maximizing idle cash. You can choose between their managed portfolios, where their algorithms handle the investing based on your risk tolerance, or a self-directed account if you prefer to pick your own stocks and ETFs. For a small business with significant cash reserves that you don't need immediately for operations, this can be a fantastic way to make that money work for you. Instead of sitting in a low-interest savings account, those funds can be invested in diversified portfolios, potentially earning much higher returns over time. This is particularly appealing for businesses that are consistently profitable and want to build a financial cushion or save for large future expenditures like expansion, new equipment, or even an eventual owner exit. However, it's not a silver bullet. While you can invest your corporate funds, Wealthsimple's core managed investing product is designed for long-term growth and isn't geared towards short-term liquidity or highly active trading strategies that some businesses might employ. The self-directed platform offers more flexibility, but it still lacks some of the advanced tools and research features that a professional trader or a business with complex investment needs might require. We're talking about things like in-depth market analysis tools, advanced order types, or access to a wider range of investment products beyond standard stocks and ETFs. Next, let's consider banking and cash management. Wealthsimple offers a cash account, which functions much like a high-interest checking and savings account. It boasts no monthly fees and competitive interest rates, which are definitely attractive for any individual or business. For a small business, having a high-interest account for your operating funds could mean earning more on your everyday cash, which is a definite plus over traditional bank accounts that often offer negligible interest. The instant transfer feature between your Wealthsimple accounts, personal and corporate, if you have both, is also a huge convenience. This can streamline moving funds for investing or withdrawing profits. You can also get a physical card for your Wealthsimple cash account, which could be useful for business expenses. But here's where the limitations start to show. The Wealthsimple cash account, while excellent for personal use, doesn't offer the full suite of business banking features. Think about it. Multiple user access. Can you easily grant different levels of access to employees for expense management or payments? Not typically with Wealthsimple's standard setup. Dedicated business tools. Does it integrate with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero in a seamless, feature-rich way beyond basic transaction feeds? Often, traditional business bank accounts offer deeper integrations for reconciliation and reporting. Payroll functionality. Can you directly run payroll through Wealthsimple Cash? No, you'd still need a separate payroll provider. Receiving payments. While you can receive e-transfers, it's not a robust solution for processing customer payments, especially for businesses with high volumes of transactions or those needing point-of-sale integration. Loans and credit. Wealthsimple is not a lender. Small businesses often need access to lines of credit, term loans, or other financing options, which are not currently offered through Wealthsimple. So, while the high interest rate and no fee structure are appealing, the Wealthsimple cash account might only serve as a supplementary account for a small business, not a primary operational hub. Then there's Wealthsimple Tax. This is an entirely separate product, but it's worth mentioning because tax management is a huge part of running a small business. Wealthsimple Tax is a free, user-friendly platform for filing personal income taxes. This is great for you as an individual, and it can help with your personal tax situation, which will be intertwined with your business income. However, it does not handle corporate tax filing. Businesses have different tax structures, deductions, and reporting requirements than individuals, and Wealthsimple Tax isn't designed for that complexity. You'd still need to use specialized corporate tax software or engage an accountant. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.